acknowledge yung presence ng ating text promo winner last Sunday, si Michael.
Hello, Michael.
Ayan, hi ka, kaway ka.
Hello.
Ayan, kaway ka lang, mamaya ka pa papapasok. Si Kuya.
Wave ka lang pala muna.
Excited ka.
Moment ka, Kuya. Ayan, game.
Hey guys.
May moment yan.
Thanks guys for spending your Thursday afternoon. Thursday, right?
Yes.
Thursday afternoon with us, guys.
Tama.
You guys are the best.
Ayan. At syempre, hindi lang chat ang dapat abangan nyo for 1 hour kasi meron tayong promo na magaganap dito sa ating Kapamilya Chat today. Merong 2 chatters na pwedeng manalo ng GB Dog Tag. All you have to do is answer our trivia question. Now, bibigyan ko na muna yung first trivia question natin. Ang first trivia question natin ay, kanino nang galing yung names ng lead characters na sina Mark, Franco, and Troy? Yan, yung dito ko. Kanino nang galing yung names ng lead characters na sina Mark, Franco, and Troy? Kung sino makakasagot yan ng chatter ay pwedeng manalo ng 1 dog tag na galing sa Good Vibes.
How would they ever know that?
Trivia. That's trivia.
Kailangan trivia.
Kaya namin yun sa Twitter, Ivan. Oo,
Hirap
team
naman.
na yun.
Ikaw ba alam mo, Ivan? Do you know the answer?
Yes.
Kala ko hindi mo alam sa
Zero.
I know,
Lang to eh.
But if I tell them that the answer and they believe me,
Clue.
obviously, then...
Clue, ikaw, hindi ka ng clue.
Clue. Hot ka dyan.
They came from outer space.
Wow!
Yay!
Nakakita yun from...
Actually, it's very bad. Don't listen. Don't listen. Let's see. It's very difficult. If you guys get it, dang, that's really... You guys, magaling talaga kayo. Magaling talaga. Magaling.
Ayan, sana nga masagot nila yan. Sayang naman yung mga prepare natin na dog tags for them. Ayan, to start the chat session, here's a question from Yen Lover from Abu Dhabi.
Hi, Abu Dhabi!
Taray!
Salamat sa pag...
Ayan, sabi niya, Yen, ang ganda-ganda mo talaga.
Thank you!
Ano ba mga rituals na ginagawa mo bago matulog? Oy,
ritual? Ang ritual ko, ano eh?
Wait, kasi I'm interested too. So, yes. Good question though.
Wala, ngingiti lang bago matulog.
ayaw mag-share.
Yun lang ang ginagawa ko. Yun lang yung ritual ko. Ngingiti lang. Yun lang.
So, si Yen Lover Abu Dhabi, hindi ko alam kung girl or boy ka. Ayan, para gumanda o gumapo ka, ngumiti ka lang.
Tama!
Yan. Advice from Yen. Madamot siya ay na-share yung ng secret.
Totoo. Wala akong secret. Yun lang yun talaga. Promise. Cross my heart.
Ayan. Ito naman from GV_Jessie May. Hi, Ivan and Yen. What are your pick-me-up songs? Ano mga nakalagay sa playlist nyo lately?
Okay.
Bali, so yung unang tanong muna yung sagutin natin. Ano daw yung mga songs na pinapakinggan nyo whenever you're down?
Siyan mo na.
Ako madami. Mahilig kasi ako sa music eh. Pero meron na tong mga nakakaraan. Yung Secrets ng One Republic. Abangan nyo. Maganda yun guys. Pakinggan nyo. Secrets, tapos One Republic yung kumanta.
Ayan, sample muna.
Ano ba yun?
Favorite pa.
Pero maganda yun. Napakinggan ko lang yung lyrics. Pero hindi ko kasi kabisado, guys.
Lyrics kasi ng time of course.
One time lang?
Hindi. Daming best.
Kahit anong line, hindi mo kaya kantahin.
Ano yung lyrics na lang? Sabi mo yung lyrics.
Kahit one tone lang.
One tone lang.
Kunyari, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Walang ano.
I'm gonna give all my secrets away. Yun na yun!
Miss Yen Santos.
Thank you so much, yes. Pwede na akong singer. Magkaka-album ako, guys, dahil sa kanta na yun.
Sana rin pakinggan nila yun kasi nung sinample mo baka na-dismayan na sila.
Hindi nila nakilala mo.
Hindi nila appreciate. And si Ivan naman, favorite pick-me-up song?
Favorite pick-me-up? Depende. If if I feel tired, or if I feel emotionally tired, it is makaiba yun. Let's see. I like The Unmovable Man. From what is he? The Script.
Uy, ako din!
Yes.
Can't be moved!
That's the same thing. The same thing. The Unmovable Man and the Man Who Can't Be Moved.
Ako din!
The Man Who Can't Be Moved. No, The Unmovable Man. Look it up. I swear it's there.
One line.
The Unmovable Man.
Ay, kantahin mo din! Ako
Sample, sample.
Ipilit mo yung amubak ko eh. Ipilit mo yung lyrics na yun. Oh, gawin mo. Kantahin mo. Go, Knives! Ang daya mo naman eh. Go! Ayaw niya. Lucky J, no guys? Unmovable. Para
The
lang.
Unmovable Man.
Tama. Same concept. Key.
Mamaya hindi ka makakalusot, magsasample ka, Ivan. Sa ayaw, sa
Abangan
gusto
yan. Sa ayaw.
Ayan. Yung next question niya, ano daw yung mga songs na nasa playlist niyo?
Okay, right.
Sana din.
I like Chikara. Wait, Chikara's not here.
Ayan, it's okay.
Someone else. Is ko? Is mo.
Ay, sige. Nakatanong ko lang sa'yo na niyo.
Habang list.
Ba't hindi na?
Tsaka ang hair mo.
Parang hair ko.
I like the Kanye West. His remix of Ego, Beyonce's Ego. It's really good. I love the original song. Yung original Ego song ni Beyonce. Pero iba yung remix ni Kanye West. He really
Statue yun.
he's really good. Really good. Wait, actually I want to ask a question. Do you guys know Yen's real name?
Bakit naman napunta sa pangalan ko? Ang random naman nun.
Kasi ang dami mong pangalan dyan sa screen. Yen.
Ikaw din eh. Ayun o, kulit ni Ivan. Ang gwapo ni Ivan.
Oh, gusto ko yun.
Oh.
Hindi naman yung sinabi naman mo kay Dream.
Oh, I love you, Ivan. Diba?
Web page lang yun.
Oh.
Joke lang. Thanks, I love you too. I really do. Okay. So yeah, if you guys, I would like to see Yen's real name. You knew it. If you guys know.
Ano daw? Ano daw?
Oh.
Okay, Ivan. Okay.
Oh yeah, what's on your list? What's on your list?
Ako gusto ko yung statue ni Lil Eddie. Maganda yung lyrics niya. Parang kapag kinanta sa akin yun ng isang lalaki, parang sobrang nakaka-in-love.
Okay, go, Ivan.
Pakinggan nyo yun, guys. Pakinggan nyo.
Guys, post yun yung lyrics para I can sing it na.
Maganda yung from
Dali lang yun.
statue ni Lil Eddie.
So I can sing it too.
Okay, go. Mag-post kayo ng lyrics, guys. Now na.
Ayan. Since mga kanta naman yung pinag-uusapan natin, ano daw yung song na di isipin ng mga tao that you like? Like a rock song or tipong very sad love song. Para ano yung song na hindi akalain ng mga tao na gusto nyo? Na na-appreciate?
Magugulat sila na
Na
you like it.
stupid love.
Parang unexpected.
Isang
hindi
linggong
gusto.
pag-ibig.
Oo,
Basang-basa sa ulan.
Gusto. I like Simpleng Tao by Glock 9.
Okay, sample.
Because I can't do it. It's so fast.
Ako gusto ko yung Itsumo ng Tyson K9.
Kantahin mo.
Itsumo, kokoro, hoshi, itsuka, dare. Oh, yun na yun. Japanese song yun na uso pa dati. Ang cute-cute kaya nun, Ivan.
Ang keyword natin dito ay dati. Just kidding.
Ayun yan, cute yan, guys. Siya naman pakantahin niya, ikaw naman mag-sound.
Kaya ako yung giting, oo.
Kasi yun yung simpleng tao, dali Tagalog yun. Magugustuhan
I
nila yun.
forgot it. It's been a long time since I've...
Ganito lang ako, simpleng tao, ang maiharap ko lang sa'yo.